Hey guys, Kinda4 here, and Evie back for another video here. So, we are gonna be playing Make It Rain, as you can see. My bucket is full. So, we're gonna be playing this, and I hope that you will like this. Trying to get to level 8. We'll see if we get to level 8. And yes, I am very fast, if you did not notice. Okay, let's see here. I want to earn ×2, but I only have 12. So I only have the paper wrap, rubber band, bronze clip, silver clip, and I have a blue city. So I have soundtrack side. Ooh, let's play that. That sounds cool. So I'm not gonna be talking much, but just listen. Okay, so I shut the music off, guys, because I just want to, like, we're about to get to 1,000, so I'm just going to keep doing this quick. I'll get to 1,000 quick. Gee. So there we go. We're at 100. So now, you can see what's on my bucket. We have 12.6k. And, sorry, I said that. So, when I level, I don't have enough. So, if I really wanted to get more stuff, I'd have to buy it. Which I don't want to do. Whoops. So, and you get 2. I would have had 17, but I my sister played and she bought something and something happened, so okay, so okay. So mission 6. So anyway, let's also do let's see. Tap tap dash. Let's play. I'm not very good at this game yet, you guys, but I've been practicing trying to get to you, so I'm on the 5th stage, I think. And I only have World A, so yeah, I'm on the 5th stage. This one's hard. See? It's so hard, and snails don't do anything. That part's so hard. Dang it. I'll try the snail next. I'll show you guys what I mean. See, it gets so hard here. Snails are really hard to do with. They can never stay on the edge. They always stay on the edge. They never are in the middle, but that's my highest I've got with snail. With that, though. The cat. Oh, I'm gonna beat it. Boom! I did good. I'm starting to get the hang of this, guys. Oh, that's hard. Please wait. Okay. Ow, sketty. Yeah, it gets hard at times, guys. It's pretty easy at first, but then it's really hard. I'll try. It's like when you get to one part that's really hard. Oh, I got it again. I hope I get it past with the bird. That was a complete exit. We'll try. What the heck? Okay, let's try the snail. See how far we can go with the snail with this one. Oh, the snail always falls at the one part. I don't have all of them yet. Okay, let's try. Oh, I almost finished it. That sucked. Hopefully I can finish it with the bird. Of course I finished it with the bird. Oh, that's hard. You have to turn like that. That's fast. Oh! I unlocked the bunny too! Yay. That is epic. Oh, I'll try again. The bird's actually really easy to control. It just all depends. It's because of stupid ad. Oh, it's gotta wait, because otherwise it's gonna make me die. I have so many ads because I download things on my phone that has ads, and it's bad, so we'll try that again. See what happens, you guys? It's stupid. Oh, I'm glad I didn't die. Boom, boom. Oh, that sucked. Okay, I got this. I can finish to 9. I know I can. I'll do it. I'll get it. I'll get there. Yes! 9. Oh! That one's hard, you guys. This one's got some moves to it. That one's got some. Hope I beat it with the cat. It gets pretty hard. Okay, I'll try last time with the bunny. Oh. The bird's actually really clever sometimes. So it's easier with a bird because the bird has some clever moves. So he can move faster than the others. So. Oh, I almost made it. The cat is okay, but I mean, sometimes the cat's hard to control because, but I won with the cat because the cat sometimes has clever moves on different ones, so I'm gonna get to 12 today, you guys, and then, I'm gonna get to 12 today, on 10. Okay, let's see. So I get that at level 15. Actually, we're going to finish the top row and I'm trying to get to 15. I might make a part 2. Okay, so guys, we're going to stop this for today and I'll make a part 2 so you guys can see. So, bye!